Hallo, ich bin Laura. Hi everybody, I'm Laura. Welcome to GermanPod101.com's Deutsch in 3 Minuten, the fastest, easiest and most fun way to learn German. In the last lesson, we learned the numbers from 1 to 10. Have you forgotten? Here I tell you again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now let's continue from 11. 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19. And finally we have 20, 20. Okay, now repeat after me. I'll say the numbers and give you time to repeat each one. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. These numbers may seem hard to remember, but you really just have to memorize 11, 12, 16, 17 and 20. For 13, 14, 15, 18 and 19, you just have to add 10 or 10. Let's not stop at 20. Counting from 10 to 100 is super easy. Now I'll give you the tens. 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100, 100. While you have to memorize a few of these numbers, there are a couple of tricks that will make memorizing them incredibly easy. In order to build 40, 40, you just add 10, sich to 4, 4, and you get 40. The same goes for 50, 80 and 90. Let's have a look at the pronunciation. If G comes last in the word, it makes a ch sound. So you would say 40 instead of 40. 40. You probably recognize the dots on A, O and U. Ä, Ö, Ü. For example, 5, 5. These are called Umlaute. Ä is being pronounced like the I in elder. Ö comes close to the O in worry. And Ü could be imagined as something between U and I. Ä, Ö, Ü. The last thing to learn today is how to form compound numbers above 20. This is also super easy. Take the tens and simply add the numbers you learned in the previous lesson. Let's try it out. How would you say 56 in German? Let's take it step by step. 50 is 50. 6 is 6. The smaller number comes first and then add and in German. 56. 56. 56. It's done. Isn't that easy? Let's make another number. For instance, 98. Take 8, 8, add and then 90. 90. 98. 98. Now it's time for Laura's insights. If you're talking about decades in German, like the 80s or the 20s, you just have to add er after the actual number. So you would say 80er or 20er. Here you pronounce G as a G and not as a H, since it doesn't come at the end of the word. Now you can talk about the exciting 80s or golden 20s with your friends. After only 2 lessons, you're now able to count to 100 in German. In the next lesson, we are going to put your number knowledge to use. Do you have all the skills you need to go shopping in Germany? If not, I'll be waiting for you in our next Deutsch in 3 Minuten Lesson. Bis bald!